this is Shambhavi. Currently, I'm pursuing my MBA from IIM Raipur. I have a work experience of 23 months in the education industry, where I was serving as a center manager for one of the coaching centers in Lucknow only.
I'm Riza Shahab and I am a second year student currently pursuing my BA Honours in English Literature. I live in Bhopal.
Myself, I am Soumya Chaudhary. I am doing my forensic science from Delhi University.
I am Pratika Sarkar and I'm currently pursuing BCom in second year.
Myself Preeti Jadhav.
This is Mayank. I am from Bhopal.
Hi, my name is Pramit Gupta, aka Maddie.
This is Muskan Bharti and I am pursuing BTM from Prestige Institute of Management, Gwalior.
I am Vanshika Jain, currently pursuing BTech from LNCTS second year.
Hello, I am Saumil Jain. I am a student of LNCTS.
He's an amazing teacher I have ever met, and he's the coolest guy I have ever met too. His teaching is like flawless.
Yes, Srinjoy sir, who is not a teacher, he's like a mentor, he's like a friend. The way he explains, like digital marketing जैसे typical topic को वो इतनी ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स दे के एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि हम उन चीज़ों से कम्प्लीटली रिलेट कर पाते हैं. तो yes, I'm enjoying it a hell lot.
He is really amazing and everything is really understandable with him, and he teaches us so well that we can understand each and everything, each and every concept. If we have a doubt, we can ask him in the next day.
मुझे सर के पढ़ाने का तरीका काफ़ी अच्छा लगता था. जैसे कि जो सर एग्जाम्पल समझाते थे वो स्टोरी रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट और रियल लाइफ स्टोरी के बेसिस पे होती थी, तो वो बहुत जल्दी हिट करता था.
दैट इज द वे ऑफ योर टीचिंग, कि आपने इतनी फनी तरीके से और इतने शानदार तरीके से हम लोग को पढ़ाया है कि वो चीज़ अभी हम लोग को बहुत टाइम तक याद रहेगी और इट वोंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम एनी मोर. और आपने हमें फ्रेंड जैसे ज़्यादा पढ़ाया, मोर देन अ मेंटर. तो ये हमें तरीका बहुत अच्छा लगा जिसे आप आगे फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं. और आपने तो मेरी कंपनी खोल दी, तो वो मैं आगे जाके ज़रूर खोलूँगी अपनी कंपनी खुद की, और मैं इस फील्ड को अपनी आगे भी बढ़ाऊँगी ज़रूर. और थैंक यू सर फॉर टीचिंग अस. ये कोर्स बहुत शानदार रहा, बहुत फ़नी तरीके से आपने हमें पढ़ाया, बहुत मज़ा भी आया इस कोर्स को पढ़ने में. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
मैं इस कोर्स में करके बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ. ਜਿਸ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸਮਝਾਈ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰਗੁਜ਼ਾਰ ਰਹਾਂਗਾ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਕੋਰਸ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਲੱਗੀ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਸ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੜਾਇਆ, ਇਟ ਵਾਸ ਅਮੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ. ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆਇਆ. 15-20 ਦਿਨ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਨ ਬੀਤੇ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ.
I would say the course has given me a lot. The best part about the course was the practical knowledge as well as the practical application, and I think the pedagogy of the course is very good. I mean, the way sir teaches us, Joy sir teaches us, the way he first covers up all the theory and he's like, okay, let's go at a slow pace so that each and everybody gets it in a proper way. So I think that's really good, because before applying it practically, it's very important that the theory part is clear to us. So I think that is something that he assured pretty well. And one of the good thing about this about him and about this course is that while taking up the classes, he was always very enthusiastic to know that, okay, what are the areas that he is lacking behind on. He used to ask us for suggestions that, okay, tell me where can I improve. And I think that's the best part, because in order to improve, in order to deliver the best to your customers or to your students, no matter in whatever profession you are, it's very important that you take up feedbacks. And apart from taking up the feedbacks, it's very important that you analyze them as well as implement them. And that is what he did with me. And I think he also asked me that, okay, what should be the change of approach in my pedagogy. So I told him that, sir, I think you should give more real life examples so that it's easy for us to relate. So from the next class, I think from the third class only, he started coming up with real life examples, and then it became really very easy for, I think, me, and along with me, I think all of us, all the students who were there in my batch, it became really easy for all of us to understand it much better and assimilate it in our mind or brain, whatever you call it.
ओवरऑल कोर्स को मैं 10 on 10 रेट करना चाहूँगी.
I would like to rate it. I would like to rate this course a 9.5 out of 10. और 0.5 इसलिए क्योंकि आप बहुत स्मार्ट वर्किंग है, तो आप इसे और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सर.
Of course, 10 on 10.
If I will say that I'll rate this product or I'll rate this course, I would say a 9.5 because sir already knows that I always save some marks. So that because I believe in this fact that there is always a scope of improvement. Nobody is a perfect 10, and there should be like some marks taken away or some marks should be kept behind so that you always have that eager to improve on and to keep on working in whatever you are doing. So this time also I'm giving you a 9.5 out of 10, but you are really 10 on 10. And
मैं डेफिनेटली यही रिकमेंड करूँगी कि इफ़ यू वांट टू नो द बेसिक ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग देन डेफिनेटली इस कोर्स को ट्राई करो.
The teacher is amazing and the course is very important. And I'm obliged that I'm having that course with him.
Yes, I will tell my fellow students or my friends about this course, and I will tell them to be taught by Sanjoy Dutt sir, as he is really interesting person and he teaches us really well.
Also, I would like to recommend my all the fellow friends to do attend this course because ये आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में एक अलग ही परसेप्शन देगा और बहुत मज़ा भी आएगा आपको पढ़ने में. आप बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे.
So I would recommend that you guys must take this course because the future perspectives are amazing for this course. The business are being expanded, but they are not expanding on the online basis. So we need to expand our business online too to have better results in our business.
So मैं सब तो पहले उन्होंने कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर वो कोर्स ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा तो वो बहुत पछताएगा क्योंकि हर चीज़ ਦੀ ਨੀਂਵ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕੋਰਸ ਤੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਇੱਕ ਨੀਂਵ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਬਣਨੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਬਾਕੀ ਹੈ. ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਬਣਨੀ ਬਾਕੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਸਾਡੀ ਨੀਂਵ ਅਗਰ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਛਾ आगे कर सकते हैं अपने फ्यूचर से.
And I would definitely suggest somebody especially somebody who's a beginner in the field of digital marketing like me, would definitely get a lot of insight into what the field is all about, what are the terminologies behind it, what is the theory behind it, and especially